Hi, I'm Makoto Takemiya, one of the contributors to SORA with updates for March 6, 2023. We are working hard on the SORA card final testing and bug fixing. We had hoped to start signups this week, but it looks like it will take more time. It looks like now we will finish the bug fixing this week or early next week, and then it will take 1 to 2 weeks for Apple and Google to approve the updated apps on the app stores. So it should be this month. I would be quite surprised if it was delayed beyond this month, but it won't be this week for SORA card signups. That being said, phase 2 is already being worked on in parallel. So that means that there's going to be less of a gap between signups and actually shipping the physical cards to everyone. So that's something to look forward to. Hopefully we can get signups starting within next couple of weeks, and then the cards will ship a few weeks later. So I would say by end of April you should have the physical card in your hand, which is going to be quite exciting. And even before getting the physical card, you'll be able to use a virtual card on your computer, basically. So that's going to be really exciting. Besides that, we are still, of course, working on parachains and bridges and all these different things, but these are very long-term things that will take a lot of time. We're currently working to set up the public test environment with our substrate bridge, so you'll be able to test XCM transfers on the testnet pretty soon, maybe this month, but it kind of depends on how busy the front-end team is with user interface and all that. So there's lots of exciting things being done, but this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. It's going to take a lot of time to really do these things. We're also doing some really exciting work on making proposals for different corporations and governments to use SORA, and these are also long-term projects, but people are taking our proposals really quite seriously because the economic model and the technical infrastructure is really quite good. In fact, it's much better than what other projects are proposing. So I hope that we can start to get some good results. Besides that, I've got some daily network stats. In the last 24 hours, there were 1,204 transactions on SORA network, 722 of which were swaps, 148 were Demeter farming related transactions, 97 were transfers, and there were 203 active accounts on the SORA network. So these fast updates, let's go back to work.